हवाले से कहना चाहेंगे?
हसन मुर्तज़ा अंसारी, प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर ऑफ द स्पार्क स्कूल एंड कॉलेज सिस्टम। आज हमारा एनुअल इवेंट है साइंस एक्सपो 2026 और ये हमारा कैलेंडर इवेंट है। इसमें बच्चे जो है मुख्तलिफ साइंस के प्रोजेक्ट्स पे जो है मॉडल्स बनाते हैं, प्रेजेंट करते हैं और उनके पेरेंट्स भी आते हैं और हमारे गेस्ट भी आते हैं। और जो बच्चे जो प्रेजेंट करते हैं उनका जो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल है वो बहुत ही इम्प्रूव होता है और उनकी जो स्किल्स हैं, प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच है वो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव होती है। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि ये जो फर्म है उसके साथ साथ जो है
project heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. There are 4 chambers of heart: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. These are largest, means they carry the oxygenated blood. Then the oxygenated blood goes in right atrium, then goes in right ventricle through the tricuspid valve, then goes in lungs through the pulmonary artery, then goes in left atrium through the pulmonary vein, then goes in left ventricle through the mitral valve, then goes in aorta. Aorta is, thank you.
If you ask any question.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Nur Fatma from grade 7. Today my presentation topic is carbon purification. Partner. I am Tubab.
I am Zora. My project name is carbon purification.
मेन एम ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट जो पूरे मेन है ना, ये जो फिल्टर है ना कॉटन पेपर के बने, ये एक फिल्टर है। और फॉर एग्जांपल ये एक फैक्ट्री है, इसका जो काला धुआं होगा, जो इसका मतलब ख़राब धुआं होगा, ये यहाँ तक आएगा इस फिल्टर में, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है जिसको जज़ब करेगी और उसके बाद इसको क्लीन एयर निकालेगी, जिससे हमारा एनवायरनमेंट अच्छा हो सकता है, हमारे पौधों को, परिंदों को, हमें जानवरों को बहुत अच्छा सा मतलब रियलाइज हो सकता है। थैंक यू। My name is Ram. My student class is from the Spark School and Shebas. These are my partner, please.
I am Batul from. I am Bhakta Varvatyo from class 8.
And today we are going to represent the project water cycle. Water cycle is a continuous movement of the above the earth. Now there are 4 mains. Number 1 condensation, number 2 precipitation, number 4 collection. Evaporation वो होंदा जीअं बाफ थींदी आहे उनखे असां evaporation कंडेंसेशन वो होंदा क्लाउड हूंदा, क्लाउड अंदरि कुझु टिनी पार्टिकल्स हूंदा आहिनि, कुझु टिनी पार्टिकल्स वॾा थींदा आहिनि ऐं कुझु ऐड कंदा आहिनि, उहे किथे किरंदा आहिनि प्रिसिपिटेशन में था। ट्रांसपिरेशन उहो हूंदो आहे प्लांट आहे, प्लांट असां किथे मीन्स के पाणी सां था ॾेई सघूं प्लांट खे, त उहो कंहिंजी मदद सां माना के थींदो, बारिश जी मदद सां उनखे पाणी मिली वेंदो।
Structure. Inside each kidney, the millions of tiny functional units are present called nephrons. Nephrons are the structural, basic and functional unit of kidneys, and it is also responsible for urine formation. Blood enters the nephron through network of capillaries called glomerulus, which is surrounded by Bowman's capsule. Each of these balls are called Malpighian bodies. Now further she will explain. The urine form in the kidney and collected in the renal pelvis. It passes through a thin musculature called ureter. Ureter carries urine to the urine bladder. Urine bladder is a muscular sac that temporarily store urine. When it becomes full, now signal are sent to the brain, getting the urge to urinate. Finally, the urine is expelled out of the body through urethra. This process is called excretion. Urine kidney to ureter, ureter to urine bladder, urine bladder to urethra, then outside the body. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. This is our model to represent the human excretory system. Human excretory system is responsible for the filtration of blood, formation of urine, and the balance the water and salt in human body. It is consist of 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, 1 urinary bladder, and 1 urethra. Urine is formed in kidney, and kidney also filter the blood. It is made up of functional unit called nephrons. Nephrons are pyramid here, medullary pyramids. Okay. Now, when urine is formed in kidney, then it travels through ureters to urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a muscular sac that temporarily stores urine. When bladder becomes full, it sends signals to brain, creating the urge to urinate. Finally, urine is expelled out from the body through the urethra. Urethra is a muscular tube come from bladder to outside the body, from which the urine passes out the body. This all process is known as human excretory system. Thank you.
Energy from sunlight. It changes sunlight into electricity. Solar panel are used roofs and fields. Solar panel is clean and safe. Solar irrigation. Solar panel use sunlight. They help
easily. Farmers save electricity. Solar street light. Street light use solar power. Street light use solar power. They charge in daytime. They glow at night. They save electricity. Solar panel run water pump. Help farmer water plant. Worker well in villages. No electricity bill. So
The group leader of this very project. So talk about this project. What does it say?
Okay, sir. This is a firefighting robot. Okay. This robot can detect flame and extinguish it automatically. But first of all, we need to know that what is a robot. A robot is a machine designed to carry out tasks automatically without any human help. Robots can be programmed to do simple jobs or very complex actions.
Okay, does it work?
Yes, of course.
Please make.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Alani and I am from Graze. This is our project, its name is excavator. It is a heavy machine used for digging and lifting the soil just like a crane. And these are the levers of this project we use for the